Hello foodies, welcome back to our kitchen where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary meals. Today's recipe is vibrant Shona Moong Dal with aloo and parwal. This recipe is super easy, stomach friendly and as breezy as a summer day. Did you know? According to Ayurveda, moong dal acts as pitta pacifier, that is, it soothes pitta dosha and also is a great blood purifier. So before we start, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share the recipe with your friends, subscribe to our channel if you already haven't, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Now let's start cooking. First, in a pot of boiling water, add washed moong dal with a pinch of salt. Let it simmer until half cooked. Meanwhile, in a pan, sizzle up some oil and fry the potato and parwal slices until they are golden and crispy, ready to elevate your dish to the next level of deliciousness. Once dal is half cooked, sprinkle in turmeric powder and salt according to taste. You can add more turmeric powder if it's not Shona Moong Dal to get that sunshine yellow color. We added 2 bay leaves, 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon and 3 green chilies. Heat up 1 tablespoon of ghee. When it melts, add in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it sizzle and then add 1 red chili and 1 bay leaf. Stir it a bit till you get the nice aroma and then toss in the dal mixture, infusing it with that irresistible aroma that will have your neighbors knocking on your door. Now we will make a runny paste with 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera powder, and water. We will mix it well and add in our dal for that extra burst of flavor. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Now is the time to add all the vegetables. Here adding some green peas because we had it. It's totally optional. And then we will add fried potato and parwal slices, giving everything a good stir until it's symphony of colors and flavors. Voila! Your easy breezy sunshine moong dal with aloo parwal is ready to steal the show. Add in some chopped coriander leaves and serve it with fragrant Govindobhog rice or warm rotis. Hope you enjoyed this flavor-packed journey with us. Until next time, happy cooking!